Oh my god! We're in a tornado! We're literally in a fucking tornado, dude.
Look at the trees, G.
Oh fuck, dude, it just crushed the crane truck. Oh my fucking god. Dude.
That's why I laid down like
Zach and I saw that motherfucker starting. Dude, this whole place is fucked. It might flip the truck. Oh fuck!
lay down, bro.
Holy fuck.
That's why I got out the machine.
Your machine's fucked.
See?
Holy shit. Dude, we were literally just fucking saying it's rotating.
Oh, hell no. I was like, fuck that.
Holy fuck, dude.